Okay, the first one on the docket is Charles Guy McGee. Your Honor, Joseph Apelt, attorney, had announced that he's at civil presiding. That's his attorney.
Okay. Well, then we'll just wait for him to come on.
Okay.
That was
Charles Guy McGee. The next one on the docket is Brian Vargas. Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Vargas is present. Judge Shannon Locke. Have you heard?
okay.
Have you heard from your attorney, Mr. Vargas?
No, ma'am. I did reach out to them and let them know that I'm in the Zoom meeting currently, but they have not gotten back to me.
Okay, just wait around then, Mr. Vargas, please.
Yes, sir.
The next one is Helen Rita Junco or Junco.
Yes, present. She's present with counsel, Judge, as you can see.
Okay, great.
To confer with the prosecutors, if at all possible, Judge.
Yes, please do. Yeah, as soon as they get on, why don't you wait around a few minutes?
Yes, Judge, will do. Thank you.
Hopefully they'll be on so you can.
Your Honor, Shannon Locke is now appearing for the previous case on Brian Vargas.
Okay. Good morning, Shannon, wherever you are. Oh, there you are. Good morning.
Just connecting to audio.
Yeah, I see. What? Good morning, Shannon.
Morning, Your Honor. If I could confer on Mr. Vargas.
Okay, well, we're waiting around for a prosecutor. They're lost in space somewhere. So if you'll just wait a few minutes, hopefully they'll be on so you can confirm.
Great, thank you.
Hey, Judge Angelini, can I interrupt for a minute?
Yes, sir.
I just discovered that my client hired a different lawyer yesterday, so I'm going to go to a different Zoom meeting. As much as I'd like to stay here, see what happens. Off I go.
And I am here. I'm the one that got hired, John Young.
Oh,
On
thank
Mr.
you, John.
Donnelly? On Mr. Donnelly?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Pat. Yes, you can.
Thanks, Judge. Take care.
Okay, Judge, should I proceed?
Yes, ma'am. Please do so.
The next one is Casey Mooring. Casey Mooring, attorney, attorney Junius Hicks.
I don't see Mr. Hicks anywhere. Okay, just keep
He's
going.
there, Judge, in the courtroom. I don't know if you can see him. Mr. Hicks?
Yes.
You see him, Judge?
Oh, yeah, I see him. Okay. Good morning, Mr. Hicks. How are you there? I haven't seen you in a while.
Okay. I have not been able to get any offer from the district attorney's office, and they've changed them.
Okay, well, if you wait around, Mr. Edelman is now on. Good morning, Mr. Edelman.
Good morning, sir. Apologies for the delay.
Okay, is Miss Morgan going to join us as well?
I don't know if she is or not, sir. She's not here now.
Okay.
But maybe
Not your business to keep up with her, but we need.
at first we were.
You need to start conferring. So I think the first one on here is Mr. Locke. And then Mr. Munoz needs to talk to you. So.
Yes, sir.
You need to go into a room with him. Patty, could you send him?
Yes, sir. Your Honor, did you want to wait until I finish the docket and then?
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can start?
Okay, that's a good idea. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
The next one is Benny Rivera.
Here.
His attorney is Richard Garcia Jr., Judge, and he's there.
Mr. Garcia, how are you? And you need to confer or not?
I do, Judge.
Okay, hang on. You're settling. A million people. Go ahead, Ms. Garcia.
Your Honor, the next one is Cody Raymond Silva. He's an inmate only on felony cases. And Mr. Aldape is present.
Hi, Jaime. I see. I
Hey,
saw-
Judge.
Yes, oh, there he is. Okay.
Judge, he picked up a gun charge and a drug charge. Another attorney's on the case. My inclination is that this trespass will probably take into consideration with whatever they do. And I believe they're waiting for a court date in the 226. So if this could be reset so they could resolve it over
Yeah.
there.
Would you mind, though, seeing what you can find out more or less when it's going to be reset to, so we can reset it to that, not have you come back and forth and back and forth?
I'm on the Bear County website and it just looks like it's awaiting the next, it just says awaiting next setting. So
All right.
I don't know if you,
Give him about 2 weeks and, maybe by then we'll know something. Patty, please.
Okay,
Thank you,
Judge,
Judge.
I'll send him the new reset.
Okay. Thank you, Jaime.
thank you, Judge. And I have one more, but I'll wait my turn for the next guy.
Okay.
The next one is Roman Anthony Donnelly. Mr. Young is the attorney. And Mr. Young is on the phone.
Okay. We go on to Mr. Rodriguez.
Sorry about that. Just a second. I'm trying to talk my client into getting on the Zoom.
You need to get on the Zoom or it's a bond forfeiture, so.
I understand that. I'm working on that, Your Honor.
Should I proceed, Judge?
Yes, ma'am, please do.
Alex Rodriguez,
He's present on under Anderson and Associates, Your Honor. That should just be closing out his pretrial diversion.
How long is it gonna take him, more or less?
I believe he's already had his orientation and signed the paperwork, Your Honor. So it's just having you sign the court's part of it, I think.
Okay, then we'll, it has to be sent to me and go there. Why don't you wait around, check back a little while, make sure that the clerks can send me, they have to send me stuff on Adobe so I can sign it. And then you
Yes, Your Honor. I have another Zoom in County Court 6. May I log off and check in there?
Yeah.
And then log back in? Thank you, sir.
the next one is Ashley Nicole Leyva. Neil
Present, Your
Calvis
Honor.
is the attorney. Is anybody here from Neil Calvis's office?
Okay, we'll wait around for Mr. Kalfas. Go ahead with the next one.
Richard Martin Ramirez. Richard Martin Ramirez.
All right, it's a bond forfeiture for right now. If he shows up, we'll report.
Julio Gonzalez.
Julio Gonzalez is present, counsel's present. I need to confer with the state on this.
Okay, just wait around.
Thank you, Judge.
Albert Medina.
I'm present for him, Your Honor. I had called to get a phone number and the number that I called was not in service. So I have an address. I'll send a letter, but I haven't talked to him, Judge.
Okay, it's a bond forfeiture.
Okay, may I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Keith Oshia McNeil.
Right here. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ernest
All right.
Acevedo III.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I haven't seen, is anybody here from Ernest Acevedo's office?
Okay, we'll try to get hold of him. Hang around, Mr. McNeil.
thank you, sir.
Jarrett Jason Spivey.
My client's present.
Hi, ma'am, present.
I need to confer with the state on this one.
Okay, hang on.
Celine Hernandez.
I'm present on that, Your Honor. My client emailed me this morning that she's gonna log in. She's just running a little late. She's on a work meeting.
Okay, well, she's got till this morning. If she doesn't check in, it's a bond forfeiture.
Yes, Judge. I have a court on another Zoom. Can I be excused to go there real quick?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Pedro Franco Moreno. Pedro Franco Moreno. No
Yeah.
attorney, Judge?
That's a bond forfeiture.
Actually, I have him going to County Court 8 to log in, Patty, so you can talk to him.
Okay, right.
Okay. Braxton Westbrook,
I'm present for him. And I believe he's in custody still.
on the felonies?
On the second degree felony, the most current one.
Okay.
Well, we'll reset it. Make sure he's in jail, Miss Veta. You know, I trust you, so just check it, make sure he's in jail. That will reset. Okay.
Judge, I did check with the settings online. He does have a current setting for the 27th of this month, and it does state that he's still in jail.
Okay.
I had no other way of contacting him. I had no phone number on my appointment sheet, and I know pre-trial had been trying to reach him pretty much the better part of March until he got arrested.
Okay, well then, Patty, Ms. Garcia, please set it after the 27th, you said, Ms. Veta?
Yes,
sir.
Judge, 27th.
Like the week after that, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Ulysses Campos,
I'm here. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, the attorney's Veronica Legareta, and she announced that she'd be over at civil presiding and then log on as soon as she got done over there.
Okay. And Mr. Campos, just hang on, and we'll, as soon as your attorney gets on, we'll be able to talk to you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Carolyn Marie Ortiz,
I'm here on that, Judge, and I see that she's online as well. I'd like to confer with the state.
Cristina Saldana,
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
Morning.
Your Honor, she told me earlier that she's having difficulties with her camera and is unable to show a video.
Okay, well, let's reset it either for tomorrow or next week. Give her time.
Okay, her attorney, Mr. Beck, is here.
I see him on the phone, so. Ms. Saldana, get on the phone and talk to your attorney, and Patty, reset it for either tomorrow or next week, early next week.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
And that's all for this morning's docket, Judge.
Okay, great. Then, Mr. Edelman, you got a lot of people to talk to. And after you talk to each one, I want them to come back and talk to myself and Ms. Garcia. You, the defense attorney, and Ms. Garcia, so we can know what's going on in the case, okay?
Yes, sir.
Honor, this is John Young on Mr. Donald.
Yes.
Or Donnelly. He is not able to log on. I don't know why, but he's been trying and he's just not hitting. I've told him he's going to have to come down to the courthouse. I'll have him begin the travel right now and hopefully have him let us know when he's in the courtroom.
Okay, if not, it'll be a bond forfeiture, so tell him to get down here.
I've already told him that. I will reiterate that, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Now, the status on this is he's got felonies pending, and we're going to be asking for a trial on this. So can we reset it?
Yeah, well, only after he shows up.
I was afraid you're going to say that. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
So I can start the breakouts with Mr. Edelman and Shannon Locke, Judge.
Okay.
Patty?
It'll be breakout room 2, Mr. Locke and Andrew.
Patty, when he comes down, I've seen courtroom 8 on there. Does he have to go to courtroom 8 or to
Yeah,
courtroom
yes, sir.
5?
Everybody needs to stay. Everybody left.
I got a pop-up to say join room 1. Do I stay here?
I forgot to say to everybody.
The daily docket after all. Ms. Garcia, did you say breakout room 2?
Yes, sir. I'm telling everyone to come back.
Because I've only been assigned to breakout room 1. And Morgan is here, so she will be able to assist us.
Thank you.
Ms. Morgan's there now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, good.
He is logging in as I speak, sir.
Okay. Judge, I'm trying to get everybody to come back. Everybody left. I just made the announcement for everyone to come back.
Are we supposed to be back here?
Yes, please.
Just hang out. Everybody stay where you are. Don't go anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Patty, does Mr. Donnelly, when he comes to the courthouse, does he go to courtroom 8 or courtroom 5?
Right now, he goes to courtroom 5, Judge Longoria's courtroom, okay? And then if we need to see him, we'll see him, okay?
All right.
Judge, Thelma Castillo, Deputy Castillo is telling me that they are scheduling or setting up or trying to set up in County Court 5, but right now everyone's in County Court 8.
Okay, that's fine, but Mr. Donnelly's not there, so he needs to go to 5 first, and then if we need to send him to 8, we'll send him to 8.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Patty, am I actually supposed to go into breakout room 2?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Miss Morgan?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you confer with Mr. Munoz? It'll be breakout room
Hello.
1.
Okay.
Y para seguir en el medio, Pedro, ¿verdad? Moreno. Sí. Pedro Moreno.
Pedro Moreno is here in County Court 8.
Okay.
Did you hear that, Judge?
Yes, I did. That's good.
I apologize to interrupt. Am I in the right room?
What was the name again? Moreno?
Pedro?
Well, ask it. Okay. Ma'am, am I in the right room?
Everybody needs to stay in breakout in the main room right now. Just stay here and
Okay.
until I move you, please.
Okay.
Judge is Pedro Franco Moreno.
I don't see him on the docket.
Your Honor, he's on page. It's page 3. He said he was in County Court 8. He doesn't have an attorney.
Oh, here, I got it. Okay. Mr. Moreno, can you hear me? Are you going to hire a lawyer? Do you need to?
Judge, we're gonna have to interpret for him because he's Spanish speaker.
Okay. Ask him if he has a lawyer. And if he does not, does he want to hire one or does he want to?
¿Cómo cuánto cobraría un abogado? Porque da uno gratis y si no, pues acá no podré agarrar uno.
¿Quiere que te apunte uno? He wants a court-appointed attorney, Judge.
Okay, tell him to have a seat and we'll talk to him in a few minutes.
Patty,
Yes, sir.
I conferred with Mr. Locke. We would like to reset for 30 days to review for application for pretrial diversion.
That's fine.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Well, wait around, Mr. Locke. Make sure Ms. Garcia knows.
I got it, Judge.
Okay. All right,
Thank
then
you,
you
sir.
go, Shannon. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Patty, Tom Beck's back.
Mr. Beck?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I needed you to stay in this main session. You can go when I assign you in a second. Breakout room. I'm sorry, Judge, it's Judge Longoria.
Okay.
Judge Longoria thanks you, Judge, for filling in for him.
Oh, is he okay? Or is
Yes,
this-
sir.
Okay, good. Then no, yeah, I'm always glad to help.
Richard Garcia, if you can go to breakout room 2 with Mr. Edelman. Mr. Garcia?
I don't know. All right.
Richard
Ms.
Garcia?
Garcia,
Yes, sir.
what breakout room do you want me to go to?
2. I don't see Mr. Garcia, do you? Did he
No.
go to another court?
I don't know where he has gone, and you are the only Garcia that I see on the screen right now.
Okay. Huh. I don't know where he went. And Your Honor, Deputy Castillo is logging on now with a couple of defendants that weren't here. Should I skip Mr. Garcia, Judge, and go to the next person?
Yes. Skip him, put him at the bottom of the line.
Okay, Joseph Stateson. You can go to breakout room 2 with Mr. Edelman.
Thank you. And may I confer on both my clients at that time?
Andrew?
Yes, let him confirm both of them.
May I approach, Judge?
Who's speaking? Yeah, Brian. Okay,
This
yes.
is Brian O'Donnell. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
I was in a mental health court Zoom at 8:30, and my client is in the waiting room. It's Mark Gonzalez from page 3. I just wanted to check in, and when the court has time, I would be asking to talk to the state.
Okay, you can talk to Ms. Morgan or Mr. Edelman when, and Patty, when you're in line, she'll send you to one of the rooms, okay?
Brian.
So just,
Thank you.
Excuse me, Judge, that was reset for April 19th.
Okay, we got the Zoom for today, and I'll tell my client then, and we'll come back on April 19th.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, please.
Very well. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day,
guys.
Mr. O'Donnell.
Patty.
Patty, can I ask about my case?
Who's that? Mr. Beck?
This is Tom Beck.
Yes, sir. You're gonna be, you're actually the last one. But, the judge had said to reset it 1 week.
That's fine. She was having problems with Zoom. And-
Right, with her video camera.
Right. So, but what date are we reset for?
Next Thursday.
Okay, and do you have the date on that?
Yes, sir. It's the 15th,
The 15th?
April 15th.
Okay. Oh, that's a bad day. Oh, that's right. They gave us an extension on our taxes.
So I'll send you the new reset date and link.
Okay, thank you very much. My client doesn't have to appear today, right? I mean, we're in
Your
clear.
Your Honor?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
Thank you
right.
very much.
Apply or should be. For you to like, because if a person is engaging in sexual activity, there's a chance that they could pick up sexually transmitted diseases, herpes, chlamydia, gonorrhea, and all that, and AIDS is one of them. And so they want to kind of say like, hey, you know, if you're having unprotected sex with people you don't know, it's a possibility you could get this, and they can.
Mr. Munoz, you're live. You're not.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Thank you. I'm back from the breakout room. Can I make an announcement?
What's up?
Yes, Judge. I believe we've come to an agreement in terms of a plea bargain. I know that we need to get the paperwork in order and such. We'll be requesting a reset of 1 to 2 weeks so that I can go over with my client and we can get these cases resolved.
It won't take you 1 or 2 weeks to do everything. Go over everything now.
Well, I have to be in three other courts at this exact time, Judge. I'm actually on Zoom right now. County Court. So, the defender's office keeps me quite busy.
Okay, Patty, give him as early as time as you can next week.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll
Good.
send you the reset, Mr. Munoz.
All right, perfect, Judge. Perfect, Patty. Thank you.
Okay, take care.
So may I send Mr. Stateson? Oh, he's already gone. Okay. I guess Mr. Harkowitz with Ms. Morgan, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
It's breakout room 1. Mr. Harkowitz, breakout room
Breakout 1? Okay.
Yes, sir. Linda.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any way you can go to my office? There's a Spanish speaking form for the questionnaire to give to Mr. Franco
Pedro?
Moreno.
Franco, okay. Yeah, where exactly is it in your office?
It's in the cabinet where the appointment orders are.
Uh-huh.
There.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am, am I still waiting?
What is your name, sir?
McNeil Keith?
Yes, you're still waiting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're waiting for your attorney, Mr. Ernest Acevedo the third.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Judge, did you want me to call his office to find out if
Yes, please.
he's, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Patty, Joseph Stateson here. We're ready to approach the judge. I conferred with Mr. Edelman.
Okay.
Go ahead.
On the first case I have 647-115 Julio Gonzalez Jr. The
It's on
state
page
has,
2.
sorry.
Did you find it, Judge?
Looking for it right now.
Mr. Acevedo is coming in now. It's on page 2, Julio Gonzalez. Six four seven 115 is a case number.
Okay, go ahead.
On this case, I had asked the state to look into body cam, dash camera, and Mr. Edelman said they've already requested it, but that request was fairly recent. And I've also asked if they could review the case to determine if we can apply for PTD. So I'm asking just for a normal reset.
How about 1 week? Mr. Edelman can find it. Just get it over here. Get it. Get it done.
On the other client I have,
Yes, sir.
649445 Garrett Spivey.
Yes, sir.
On this case, there's multiple restitution involved. The state is going to contact the complaining witnesses to determine restitution amounts. And based on that, after that, I'll get an offer. So I don't have an offer yet.
Okay, well, they can do that today too, so. Let's reset it for tomorrow. You can call them today.
Did you say tomorrow, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it. All right. And will you notify me by, is it going to be 9 a.m. tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Edelman, find out what the restitution is today.
I can attempt to contact the complainants, Your Honor. There's no guarantee that they're going to be able to tell me the amount of restitution by 9 a.m. tomorrow.
There's no guarantee they'd ever tell you.
That's true, sir.
Okay, so work on it. Call them.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May Mr. Gonzalez and Mr. Spivey be excused?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do I exit the chat room?
Mr.
Who's that?
Mr.
Julio
State?
Gonzalez? Julio Gonzalez, can Julio Gonzalez be excused, Judge?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Be careful.
You too.
Judge, it appears that Mr. Harkowitz is back with Miss Morgan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am and sir.
Okay, is it possible I could go in a breakout room for a quick talk with my client?
Yes, sir. Please do so.
It's gonna be breakout room 2.
Thank you.
Miss Ortiz,
Yes.
it's breakout room 2, please.
Okay, I will join right now.
Thank you. Judge, I believe Mr. Kelly has returned. on page 2, Alex Rodriguez, case number 644-373.
Okay. What's
Yes,
up?
Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. What's up?
Oh, this was the pre-trial diversion application, Your Honor. He's been approved and done his orientation, and we're just need the court to sign off on their end of it.
Okay, he can go about his business. If they've approved it, go about your business. It's just gonna have to be sent to me or Judge Longoria to sign, that's all.
Yes, Your Honor. May we be excused for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And Your Honor, Ernest Acevedo III is present.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Acevedo.
Morning,
Your
Judge.
client's on there, I see him.
Hello.
Can I confer with the DA on this case, please?
Yes, sir, certainly can. Just wait a few minutes. Either Ms. Morgan or Mr. Edelman will talk to you in a few minutes.
All right.
Either of us are available, sir.
What should I put in the breakout room, Judge?
Either one, it doesn't matter. It's up to them.
Okay, it'll be breakout room 1. Mr. Acevedo and Mr.
It's
Edelman.
an odd number case, so Morgan should
Okay,
tackle it.
thank you. So Judge, did you want me to try and get a hold of someone from Neil Kalfas's office?
Yeah, get hold. Any of the attorneys that don't show up, let's at least call them and text them or something, see if they're gonna answer. Sometimes they just fail to get it, or sometimes they're busy on another court. So,
Okay, and there was also a couple of defendants that appeared in County Court 8 or 5. I think Charles McGee.
okay.
Is Charles McGee available, present?
He was there. There he is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Your Honor, I don't think Mr. Apelt has returned. He was at civil presiding.
Okay, well, let's wait around for him for a little while. Mr. McGee, stay on, and hopefully we'll get hold of your attorney in a few minutes.
Yes, sir.
Richard Ramirez. Richard Martin Ramirez. Albert Medina. Miss Ayon, Marisa Ayon. Oh, I believe she said she was gonna go to another court and come back.
Oh, I thought she said Mr. Young. I'm sorry.
Judge, did you still need Mr. Young to stay?
Yes,
on?
Mr. Young, you need to stay on until your client shows up in court.
I'm here.
Okay.
Brian Donnelly?
Yeah, he's on his way there, so we need to, he's going to court.
I thought somebody announced, Judge.
I don't see him.
Okay.
I'm gonna call him again. Make sure he's on.
So I'm gonna go ahead and try and contact Mr. Kalfas, Judge.
Okay,
Judge Angelini,
yes,
are you going to preside over the proceedings that we have scheduled for this afternoon?
yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So I have Mr. Kalfas logging on now, Judge.
Okay, great.
Judge, this is Steve Harkowitz on Carolyn Ortiz. I'm back from the breakout room.
Okay, what's up?
Okay, well, I've gotten an offer from Miss Morgan, but my client has a probation MTR out of Wilson County. And so I'd like to, and I believe she goes to court on the 13th of this month. So I'd like to see if we could possibly reset this until probably the latter part of this month after she goes there, because I need her to talk to her attorney that's handling that case. How this pleading on this case may impact that.
Why don't you call him or her? Who is your attorney?
My attorney is Stephen Barrera from BCP Law Firm.
Okay, why don't you call him, Mr. Harkowitz?
Okay.
Judge, I'm back when you have a chance.
Yes, sir. What's up, Mr. Acevedo?
They need to do a little bit of investigation and talk to a felony prosecutor and potentially some witnesses. I need to see if I can get a short reset just to have them review it. It's our first appearance on the misdemeanor. He had a felony that got dismissed, and so now this is his only case left.
Okay, give him a week, Ms. Garcia.
That would be perfect. And
Mr. One week, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Bingo, do you have my office number? I need to make sure I have your contact information now that you've bonded out. Can you call my office?
Yes, sir. 226-5656.
Yeah, that's the office number. If you can just call the office and make sure we have your contact info now that you're out on bond, just so we can get in touch with you.
Yes, sir. I sure will. I appreciate it, sir.
I'll have an update for you next week.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir. Both of y'all are excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
All right. Thank you. I'll call you, Mr. Acevedo.
Judge, I believe Neil Kalfas is also present.
Where are you? Hey, Neil, wherever you are. I don't see him.
Neil. Mr. Kalfas.
Oh, yeah, I see his office chair, but that's all I see.
Your Honor, on Mr. Ernesto Acevedo's client, McNeil, did you say reset 1 week?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Kalfas,
Yes, ma'am.
Judge.
Good morning, Neil.
Good morning, Judge.
What's the deal on your client?
She should be signed on, Judge. I think that we're in complete compliance so far with conditions of bond, and we need a trial setting on it.
Okay, you don't need to confer with the state, right?
I will confer if you'll put me in a private room with one of them, Judge.
Yeah, glad to. And let me know if you need a trial, you get a trial. If you don't, you don't. See if you can work it out. If you can't, that's okay too. But once
Okay.
you get, I don't know, Mr. Edelman or Miss Morgan, who's handling it.
It's Miss Morgan.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Put them in a breakout room, please, Miss Garcia.
Yes, sir. It's breakout room 3.
Miss Garcia, I'm gonna go get some coffee. I'll be right back.
Yes, sir.
Patty, does that say you want John Young to go to room 1?
No, sir. Everybody else needs to stay. Neil and Miss Morgan need to go to breakout room 3.
Patty, mine's saying breakout room 1.
Okay, I just found you. I'm sending you to breakout room 3. Thank you.
Patty, this is John Young. I think my client is under Brandon Richardson.
I don't see a Brandon Richardson on this. There he is.
There he is. Roman, is that you? Brandon, Roman, you need to connect the audio. Brandon, can you hear me? If you can, wave your hand. It looks like you are not connected to audio. Hello, this is John Young. I saw that. It looks like his audio is not connected yet. See if you can do that. Well, he was on there a second ago and now he's gone. Brandon, I understand that. I saw him on the Zoom.
I changed his name to Roman Anthony Donnelly.
Yes. Okay. But you're not on it all now. Now you've taken it off video.
Okay. Okay, here we go, sir. Can you hear me now? Okay, thank you, sir. I apologize for that, sir. That was very frustrating, and I don't know what the
Okay.
problem was.
Stop talking, and I'm just
Okay.
going to have the court identify you so that we can get this reset, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Patty, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Can you see there's Mr. Donnelly, you need to put the camera on you.
Okay,
Point the camera to you.
okay. Well, it should have a flip.
I saw you for a second there. Just hold it still. You know the old saying, Patty.
Turn around, sir.
The air is human,
You see me now, sir?
to screw up, you need a computer. There's Mr. Donnelly.
Hello.
Is,
Yeah.
is Judge Angelini back?
Hold on, I didn't hear you, ma'am.
I'm waiting for Judge Angelini to return.
Okay.
That way he can excuse you and your attorney.
Okay, ma'am. Brandon, is there a way to flip the screen?
No, just hold it still. Hold it still and don't talk, or else mute it. Touch that microphone icon again.
Mr. Young, do you
Yes.
see Judge Angelini back?
I do not. There's his empty chair.
Okay. As soon as he gets back, just go ahead and make your announcement that your client is present.
Thanks, Patty.
Mr. Hicks, as soon as Mr. Young lets Judge Angelini know that his client has arrived, you can ask Judge Angelini if he still wants you to wait for your client or if you can be excused. Wave if you heard me, Mr. Hicks. Okay, thank you.
Didn't hear you.
I said, as soon as Mr. Young, Attorney Young is done speaking with Judge Angelini, Mr. Hicks needs to approach about being excused for the day since his client hasn't arrived.
I'm right here. Here he is,
Oh.
right here.
Oh, why didn't you tell us that your client was with you? All right, when Mr. Young gets done with Judge Angelini, y'all need to speak up, Mr. Hicks. Did you need to go on a breakout room with the state? Mr. Hicks?
Yes, I need to get some type of a way to resolve this case or either appoint somebody else. I've been trying to resolve this for over a year.
Talk
and
right now.
years old. I don't want to die trying to resolve one case. I need to get off this case or resolve it today, please. Mr. Elderman, I've been working with Mr. Elderman, DA Elderman, for over 8 times. I've spoken to you, coordinator, a number of times on this case. We went through pretrial diversion and then they changed their mind in pretrial diversion, saying that they had another case that was a closed book or something like that. I don't know whether Judge Angelina can take me off the case, but I'm having all types of technology problems.
Okay, why don't you talk to the state, see if we can resolve it today. If not, if you want off, I'll let you off, Mr. Ed. But talk to them right now.
If we could wrap it up today, I'd like to resolve it.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'm taking a big hit on this case.
Is it Mr. Edelman or Ms. Morgan's case? Which one?
Oh, I'm available, sir, so I'll confer on it.
Okay, confer with
Break-
Mr.
You want me to put him on breakout room, Judge?
Yes, please do so.
It'll be breakout room 2, Mr. Hicks.
And then let me know if it can be resolved. If not, okay. Either way.
Brother John Young here. My client, Roman Anthony Donnelly, is on Zoom.
Where is he?
He's got a chair behind, big chair, flower shirt.
All right. What's the situation now?
He has several felonies pending in the 379th, Your Honor. I got hired yesterday, and he's been told me that he wants a trial on this case.
Okay, that's fine. It's not a problem. Let's just set it for trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You got all your discovery?
I just got hired yesterday. I haven't looked at anything yet, Your Honor.
Neither one of y'all are excused. I want you to talk to the state and get all your discovery.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm sure that Pat Montgomery had already gotten it, but he's already gone.
All right, call him on the phone. If he's gotten it and you can get it from him, that's fine too.
I will get it.
Stick around and talk to the state.
I will, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Miss Morgan and Mr. Kalfas have returned.
Okay, what's up, guys?
Judge, I've conferred, and I need to get some stuff together for the state. If I could just get a pretrial reset for shortly after May the 10th, I would appreciate it. If we can get it, I'm sorry.
Why after May 10th?
Well, I've going to be out of town from May the 6th to the 10th, and so I just assumed that it'd be easier to do it when I'm here. I'm sorry.
We set it for next week.
Okay.
And just get your stuff for the state and see if y'all can resolve it.
Okay.
Can I go with Miss Morgan then, Your Honor?
I'm sorry?
May I go with Miss Morgan to confer?
Yes, sir. Ms. Garcia,
Breakout room 3, Mr. Young.
and
No.
Mr. Kalfas a week, please.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, may Mr. Kalfas and his client be excused?
Ma'am, both of them can. Check. Hopefully,
Thank
you
you.
can resolve next week, Neil. Be careful.
Thank you, Judge. Take care. Thank you.
Your
Sorry, I
Honor,
think the camera's,
Your Honor, Mr. Hicks is back.
what did you say?
What's up, Mr. Hicks?
Okay. Assistant District Attorney Elderman says they need another 2 weeks.
Why?
I can explain that if you'd like, Your Honor.
Yes, I would.
The offense dates for the two alleged offenses are 10 days apart. It appears that one of those alleged offenses might be an accidental duplicate. We're trying to contact the complainant to determine if that is the case, and if it is, then we will dismiss one of the cases. And further, Morgan is going to ask the complainant if they will agree to a pretrial diversion application for the defendant.
Okay, give him 10 days.
10 days, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
10 days. 10 days is fine. What date, please? What date?
Hey, don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep, y'all.
Oh, hold on, Mr. Hicks.
Don't fall asleep.
It'll be Monday, April 19th.
Not uploaded yet, so I will upload that.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll be back on Monday, April 19th, in hopes that we can resolve this case.
All right, thank you. Have a good week.
All right.
Don't go to the floor.
Excuse Mr. Hicks, you and your client both.
Is that Ms. Garcia?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, John Young back in breakout room. Prosecutor assures me she'll have the discovery uploaded tonight, this afternoon.
Okay. Ms. Morgan, get it to him this afternoon.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're go about your business. You and Mr. Donnelly, Mr. Young.
Thank you, Your Honor. Patty,
Your
will you
Honor.
give me a reset date?
Yes, sir. Did you decide, Judge? Is that going to be a jury trial reset or pretrial conference?
Set it for a trial. I don't know. It's not going to be resolved by pretrial conference.
Okay, yes, sir. I'll send you the resets, Mr. Young.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
Mr. Donnelly, you can leave.
Thank you, sir. Oh, don't do anything.
Your Honor, I received a text message from attorney Veronica Legareta
Yeah.
that she was still at district court. Just letting the court know.
Okay, well, wait around for until we sign off for the morning. Okay,
I'm sorry?
wait around. Let's wait around for her. Hopefully she-
Okay, thank you. Your Honor. On page 3, Stephen Harkowitz, attorney for Carolyn Ortiz. What were we waiting on for that?
I don't remember.
Judge, I called Stephen Barrera's
Yeah, that's-
office. They told me he wasn't available. They said they'd put my number in his queue and he'd get back with me. That
All
was
right.
almost 30 minutes ago.
Okay. Ms. Ortiz, when's your court date there?
My court date is April 13th at 9 a.m. at Wilson County Probation Office.
All right, set it for the 14th then.
Judge, let me see. The 14th should be okay. I'm assigned for a trial with Judge Sakai Monday and Tuesday and Thursday, but I should be able to get here on Wednesday.
Okay.
Maybe we be excused then?
Yes, sir. Both of y'all are excused.
Thank you.
Sir.
Judge, I just heard from attorney Richard Garcia. He should be logging on back with County Court 5 shortly.
Okay, great.
Your Honor, on this afternoon's motions to MTEAG hearings, they're MTRs, but for deferred, the inmate is at 1:30. And that's on Christopher Mackey, the first one on the docket.
Okay,
And then Richard Jaramillo, the second one on the docket is an MTR hearing at 2 o'clock.
right.
Did you want me to go ahead and send you the judge's notes?
Yeah, send me anything you got. I need the MTR itself or the send that specifically. For sure.
What did you say?
I need the actual MTR or whatever, the paper, the thing that was.
Okay. Miss Luna?
Yes, I have it. I just need the judge's email address so I can forward it to him.
I gave it to you on the email that I sent y'all last night.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll forward the information to you, Judge.
Okay. And the plea, has it already been signed by the judge? If not, then I need that. Everything has to be sent to me by Adobe sign because I can't get it any other way. Okay.
Okay.
Anything I have to sign, rather.
Okay, the MTR is already signed, Your Honor, and I will forward that information to you.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, just to let you know, Ms. Marisa Ayon is back, attorney for Celine Hernandez.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I was coming back to see if my client had finally logged on.
Okay, good.
I don't think she logged on.
I do not see her. I'll give her a call to make sure that she gets on.
Okay. Let us know when she gets on.
Thank you.
I have Richard Garcia, attorney, coming back, Judge.
Okay. Yes, sir, Mr. Garcia.
Judge, I'm sorry, I've been swamped today. Is it possible to go into the breakout room again?
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
Who'd you talk to, Mr. Edelman or Ms. Morgan?
Well, I was sent with Elderman or
Edelman,
but I never talked to him. He was,
Is it yours, Andrew, or Caitlin's?
I don't know.
It's an even number.
And it's mine. Let's rock and roll.
I'm sorry, odd 7. Caitlin's.
Morgan, can you take it?
Yes, I can take it.
All right.
Okay, it'll be breakout room 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And Your Honor, Attorney Joseph Apelt has appeared.
Yes, sir, Mr. Apple. How are you today?
I'm running like a chicken with its head cut off, Judge. I've been assigned to Judge Norma Gonzalez on my matter over there, but I have until 11 o'clock she's given me to come over here.
Okay.
And I have Charles Guy McGee, if I can confer with the DA just to confirm an offer that they've made, and then so I can get with my client about the details on it and proceed from there, Judge.
Okay, talk to Mr. Edelman. Put him in a breakout room, please.
Thank you, Judge.
Breakout room 2.
Patty, can you put me in a breakout room with Mr. Benny Lopez?
It's Benny Rivera.
I mean, Benny Rivera, I'm sorry. I've literally, I've got 10 people on the same
Okay,
time.
go back to breakout room 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your Honor, defendant Celine Hernandez has logged on. That's Miss Ayon's client.
Okay. Okay, Miss Ayon, are you on? You need to confirm. Well,
Seriously, I was like, oh my God.
I don't know, I guess it just depends on.
You know that Judge Gonzalez already has an opponent, right?
Judge 13?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they said it was some, I don't, some attorney, I think. No, someone who works for the DA, I think, right?
Miss Ayon,
County Court 5, this is Linda.
apparently Miss Hernandez is on.
Hold on.
I just spoke with her. She was able to log on.
Do you need to confirm or what do you need to do?
Yes, if I can confer with either Caitlin or
Okay, how can I help you?
or Andrew, whoever's available.
He was given a PR bond.
I'm available, Your Honor.
Let me see.
Miss Garcia, put Miss Ayon and Miss Morgan.
Oh, I don't have a number on him.
Is that
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
is that a clerk?
You're welcome. Sure. Bye-bye.
It'll be breakout room 4.
Thank you, Patty.
Your Honor, I sent over the documents to your email address, so
Let me
you can
look.
just let me, yeah, if you let me know if you received them or not, I can resend them again.
Hang on a second, Miss Morgan, Miss Ayon.
Patty, it kicked me out of the breakout room. Can you put me back in, please? Oh my God. Thank you.
Okay. Not now, right? I hear you.
No, you don't hear him.
It could. Man, about time it's gonna happen.
Patty, am I supposed to go to breakout room 3 or breakout room 4?
4. Mr. Edelman,
Yes.
I'm sorry, were you not done with Mr. Apel?
Actually, we finished conferring right as we were being ejected from the breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Luna, I only got the one on Jaramillo.
Okay, Your Honor, let me go ahead and resend it again. I'll send it separately.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I be excused for a few minutes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Appel, what's happening?
I've got the offer from the DA, and I need to communicate it with Mr. McGee. I believe he is on here somewhere. I'm not sure how he's listed
Yeah,
in.
he was on here a few minutes ago. When he
Okay.
comes back, when we find him, this
Okay,
question.
and I need to confer with him on that and explain it all to him. And then we will most likely be setting that for a plea then in, say, about, I don't know, 30 days, Judge?
No 30 days.
No 30 days, okay. Okay.
I put them in a breakout room, Judge. It's breakout room 2.
Okay, is Mr. McGee there too, Patty?
Yes, I just sent him there.
Okay, I'll go to breakout room 2 then and discuss with him. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, I resent it again, just for Christopher Mackey.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, it is all body or camera. Let me reach out to them and see if there was any dash cam or anything like that. Okay, I will send that request off right now.
Your Honor, I have Veronica Legarreta logging on now.
Sorry, what? Say that again.
Attorney Veronica Legarreta is logging on now.
Hello, good morning. You need to confer with the state, or what do you need to do, Ms. Legarreta?
With the state judge downloaded, but it takes like 2 to 3 days to.
Is it your case, Mr. Edelman, or is it Ms. Morgan?
Doesn't matter. I'm here, sir. Let's get it done.
Okay, Ms. Legarreta, put them in a room together, please.
It'll be breakout room 1. Andrew, can you ask, well, Ms. Legarreta, can you ask Mr. McGee to come back to the main session?
Yes.
Thank you.
Patty, if I could speak with my client for a little bit, we're gonna need a reset to see if there's additional video, but I'd like to confer with Ms. Hernandez for a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's gonna be breakout room 4, Ms. Ion.
Patty.
Ms. Hernandez.
Patty,
Yes, sir.
can you put Vanessa, the ADA, in the breakout room with me? I've got the complaining witness in there as well.
Caitlin Morgan?
Hey, I mean, yeah, I'm sorry, not Vanessa. That's another court. Caitlin Morgan.
Okay, it's breakout room 3, Ms. Morgan.
Thank
you.
Go back to breakout room 3, Mr. Garcia.
Thank you.
Linda,
Yes.
were you able to give Mr. Franco Moreno the application?
Yes, I did. I'm just waiting to see when he's done with it.
Okay,
I told Fred to let me know when he was done with it. And I'll go get it from him. Do you want me to just put it on your desk?
no, I need to go, to go over it, if he's still there. Your Honor, is it okay if, I'm going to the office tomorrow?
Okay.
Is it okay if I have Miss Flores let Mr. Franco Moreno know to come back tomorrow?
Sure. Mm-hmm. Easier that way.
Linda?
Yes, I will go and tell him to come back tomorrow at 9. Is that when you wanted me?
Well, if he can be there about 8:30.
8:30? Okay, I will let him know.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. I'm going over there, Fred. I'll be there in a minute.
Okay.
Patty, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've worked out a JSAT judgment satisfied deal with Caitlin. I have his email address and everything. My only issue is that I have a trial starting at 11, and I'm swamped all day. Yesterday I had nothing. Tomorrow I have nothing, and today I have 13 cases.
Your Honor, did you want to recall it tomorrow for a plea?
Mm-hmm. Miss Morgan, give him the paperwork. Ms. Garcia, make sure she has the email address for your client so she can send it to them so they can sign it.
Okay, I'm gonna chat it to you, Caitlin.
Okay, great. And I'll send it over. Thank you.
Thank you.
All
Good
right.
seeing you.
Bye-bye. Good luck today.
Thanks.
Mr. Garcia,
Yes, I'm here.
did you let your client know he's still in room? Well, he's coming out now. Can you let your client know what's going on?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Benny.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the process is now I'm giving the assistant district attorney your email address. So what she's going to do is she's going to email me first all the necessary documents to enter your plea. Okay. And as soon as I sign them, they will go to you.
Okay.
It's going to be under an Adobe sign. You can open them up and do it on your phone and type in your signature.
I know how to.
Okay.
And then it's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, call me and we can go over it together if you have questions.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have that.
I just need your number. I don't have your phone number.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, sir.
210
Okay.
843 8004.
Okay.
I'll text you in a minute and that way you'll have it.
Alrighty.
I'm putting in your cause number. And so we're set for tomorrow for the plea.
Okay.
And I believe they will give us the time and everything later on this afternoon.
Alrighty.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
did you want to go ahead and schedule it for, well, tomorrow you have besides the docket, 10 o'clock, motion to enter adjudication of guilt, and at 11 o'clock, a motion on an open work permit.
Just send it at 11. That way it's, the other thing won't take 5 minutes. Won't take.
Okay, yes, sir. So at 11.
So if
11 sounds good. Thank you.
Okay.
But I don't know if it'll affect my grade on the quiz because so I'm just gonna retake it.
Try taking it on your phone?
So is Mr. Rivera excused, Judge, till tomorrow at 11?
Yes, ma'am.
I just need to plug it in is all.
Yes, Ms. Rivetta, you're excused till 11 in the morning. Make sure when you get that paperwork, you sign it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
That happened to me before, and it just said
Thank you.
pick up where I left off.
Your Honor, may I approach on Mr. McGee?
Yes, sir.
May I get 2 weeks to do the plea?
No.
No. Okay, I'm looking at my calendar. How about next Wednesday, the 14th?
Garcia?
Yes, sir, that's fine.
Okay, and Patty, I can email you Mr. McGee's email address if you want to start circulating some of the paperwork.
Okay.
Will that work, Patty?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then, so it'll be, is that 9 o'clock then on Wednesday, the 14th, Judge? Or Patty?
Hang on.
But she'll tell you.
It's gonna be at 11.
11?
Yes, sir.
Very well. Mr. McGee, I'll give you a call, confirm that with you, and then Patty, I'm assuming I'll get the Zoom info then prior to that date?
Yes, sir.
That may we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate your accommodating.
All right.
Thanks, sir.
Ms. Legarreta?
Yeah.
Judge, I'm gonna need to speak with another prosecutor or I'll need a reset to speak to Mr. Edelman's supervisor. He has informed me that he cannot tell me what the complainant has told him because it's his personal policy that he's following. And that I asked him if he spoke with her, what is it she's seeking? What does she want? He said he cannot tell me that information, which I don't believe is the case. But.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I respond?
Sure.
Actually, never mind, Your Honor. This doesn't merit a response.
Okay, well, get Miss Jarman. Let's get her on. What's her number? Let's get her on. You can talk to her.
I will call her office right now.
Okay, and come back and tell us.
Patty, if we can get a reset when you get a chance. I come back from the breakout room with Ms. Hernandez.
Why do you need a reset?
Judge, I had spoken with Ms. Morgan and we had requested a few more videos on this particular case and they just needed to put in the request for it.
What kind of case is it?
A DWI.
Okay. All right, let's give her 1 week. Get on it right now, Miss Morgan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I'll send you the new reset and links, Ms. Ayon.
All right. Thank you. Thank you,
You're
Patty.
welcome.
May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
So Mr. Campos is and Ms. Legarreta's client is the only case we have left, Judge.
Okay, great. Well, as soon as she gets finished talking to Ms. Jarman, maybe we resolve it, maybe we can't.
She's not available. I left a message for her, Judge.
All right, then come back at 1:30, everybody.
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Legarreta, you and your client come back at 1:30. Maybe Ms. Jarman will answer your thing. If not, let's find out what her email is so I can email her so she can get on so she can talk to you. Okay?
I have her email, Judge. I can put in the chat for you.
All right. No, let's wait till 1:30. Maybe she'll respond by then. But then.
Yes. Yes, sir.
All right. Then we're through, Patty, until 1:30, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll see all of y'all at 1:30. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.